to know. Countries around the world. Today we're going to be learning about France. France is in the continent Europe. The capital of France is Paris, and the language people speak in France is French. Bonjour! The currency of France is euro. Some famous people of France are Napoleon Bonaparte and Zinedine Zidane. Some tourist attractions are Eiffel Tower, Louvre Museum, which is famous for the Mona Lisa, and Venus of Milo. Some other tourist attractions are the Cathédrale Notre Dame and Provence. One famous food of France is soup l'oignon. What is France famous for? Eiffel Tower, Tour de France, wines, cheese, breads and croissants, Chanel, Dior, Givenchy, and cars and perfumes. Cannes Film Festival, Paris Fashion Week, French Grand Prix, and beautiful ski resorts and lavender fields. Now it's time for the quiz. Can you guess the correct flag? You have 3 seconds. 2, 1. This flag is the correct one. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Bye!